Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 9 minus 9 times 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. As we know, parentheses has higher priority than other operations. So first 1 plus 3, which equals 4. So we have 9 minus 9 times 4 divided by 4. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one division. As we know, multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. And also, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first, this multiplication. 9 times 4 gives us 36. So we have 9 minus 36 divided by 4. No, we have to do this division. 36 divided by 4 gives us just 9. So we have 9 minus 9, which equals 0. So our final answer to this problem is just 0.